Alright, welcome back. My name is Kos. Once again, welcome back to Dark Zero Motors. Today I'm doing the unboxing as promised. I have a couple of boxes. I got the giant kit going on over here. Today's video will be directly on top of the Table 5000, the DIY 5000, featuring a board, a Harbor Freight box, and a Harbor Freight blanket. Not sponsored. Make sure to also stay tuned for any future videos that are coming out of this build, as well as any other future videos that will be coming out on the channel. So naturally, I'm going to start with the small box, and I'm just going to build up, because this box right here has all the good stuff in it. This has the goodies. This has the motherload of the good stuff. And I also have another box in the back with more stuff in it. I have a total of 5 boxes to unbox, and there's a lot of parts, a lot of little small pieces. I will go through every single one of them, and without further ado, let's not waste any more time and let's get to this unboxing, shall we? Boom, first box. All right. Basically what this is the ignition coil for the Hyperspark system. Part number is 556152. Alright, so we got foam, one of the harnesses, a little bit of hardware, it looks like a spark plug boot, more foam. Here is the baby. This right here is going to be plugged in into the whole Hyperspark system that I have going on. Black finish. This will be a nice addition to the engine bay. Second box. So this box, what it has inside of it is the main brain for the whole Hyperspark system. This is the ignition box for the EFI. And the part number on this one is 556151. We have a little bit of hardware in here. Wiring harnesses. This looks like it goes directly to the actual throttle body. I'm pretty sure that goes directly into the box itself. And here's the box. Oh wow, this right here will basically control everything that needs to be controlled in the whole entire EFI system all at once. And box number 3, this contains the distributor for the Hyperspark EFI system. The whole kit contains your coil, your ignition box, and the distributor itself. Part number on this is 565300. We have our Holley cap, break-in grease, our main harness, and a hold-down plate for spark plug boots. Right here is the actual distributor itself. But compared to the old distributor that I used to have in the car, this thing is way smaller. Right here is my old distributor, and this will be the new distributor. As you can tell, the size difference is crazy. It's about half size, I would say. Now, remember that extra box that I was talking about? Here it is. In this box right here, it's one of the extras that I got. I got extra 20 feet of black nylon, 3/8 fuel line. Simply because the rest of my system is already like this. I have this exact line throughout my whole system. I want to keep it matching. And now the final big box. You think I was only gonna leave you with 5 boxes? There's 2 boxes in this box, so that makes it 7 boxes that we have to unbox. I don't think I've said the word box so many times in one sentence. And naturally, in this box, we are going to start out with the smaller box. And in this box, I have all of my fuel stuff. In here I have a 3/8 to a -6. Another 3/8 to a -6, and another 3/8 to a -6, a -6 bulkhead nut, another -6 bulkhead nut, a -6 90-degree fitting, 9/16 seals, 20 feet of fuel line, a whole parts list with the instructions on how to not set your car on fire. This is one of the fuel filters. Fuel filter number 2 with more goodies inside. Fuel cuff. A ton of small clamps for our fuel line. This right here is the inline fuel pump, and it also comes with brackets as well as some hardware with it. And now the last box of them all. This contains the cream of the crop, the cherry on top. Let's just open this box. Looks of it, I got, this is some relays with a main harness. Okay, so this is the main harness right here for the whole throttle body system. Intake gasket for the throttle body. It looks like a manual for the Sniper EF5. This is all the extra small goodies. This is the coolant temperature sensor. This right here is another wiring harness. I have my ignition coil driver, as they provide you with a clamp-on style O2 sensor. So basically all you do is drill a hole in your header. You put this gasket there, you put the plate on top of it that's in here, and then you put these two clamps right on top of everything else, tighten it up, and your O2 sensor is going to be right there, so you don't have to weld it. Here's the actual O2 sensor. And we have our 3.5-inch LCD touchscreen that goes all the way directly into the system. And now the part we've all been waiting for, because I know I've been waiting for it. I don't know about you, but I know I've been waiting for it. This is like Christmas any day. Oh, would you look at that? Oh yeah, this thing is beautiful. I got the one in a black finish because it's definitely going to match my valve covers. It's going to match everything else. It's going to look really, really good in the engine bay. Pretty sure I'm gonna run into a few issues here and there, but that's a normal thing. I have my fuel outlets and inlets. Looks like I have another plug, more plugs that pretty much will go together with everything else. This whole system is pretty easy to install from what I heard. I can't wait until I give it a shot. By the way, the throttle body part number is 550511. Alright everybody, and that pretty much concludes this giant unboxing. We had a total of 7 boxes to unbox. I have everything that I need to install this whole system and to make it run even better. I went that extra mile and got the distributor, got the coil. Make sure you stay tuned for the future videos. Once again, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, share with a friend, share with your grandmother, share with your dog, share with your cat, share with your dad. Share with everybody. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.